Hey everyone, welcome to our quick tutorial on how to access your OneDrive files on PC in 2025. If you're a Microsoft user, OneDrive is your go-to cloud storage for keeping files safe, accessible, and synced across devices. With the latest 2025 updates, it's faster and more intuitive than ever, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone managing digital files on the go. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have a Microsoft account. If you don't, visit the Microsoft website, sign up for free, and verify your email. This is your key to unlocking OneDrive's features. Once that's sorted, head to the Microsoft Store or the official website to download the OneDrive app. It's lightweight and installs in just a few seconds. After installation, open the OneDrive app on your PC. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft credentials. Enter your email and password, then follow any two-factor authentication steps for security. Boom! You're in. Now, navigating your files is straightforward. The app displays your OneDrive folders in a familiar File Explorer view. You can browse, search, or organize files just like on your local drive. For example, click on the Files tab to see everything, or use the search bar to find specific documents quickly. One of the cool 2025 features is enhanced offline access. Right-click on any file or folder and select Always Keep on this device to download it locally. This means you can work on files without an internet connection and they'll sync automatically when you're back online. If you run into issues, like files not syncing, check your internet connection or restart the app. You can also visit Microsoft's help page for troubleshooting tips. Remember, OneDrive offers up to 5 GB of free storage, with options to upgrade if you need more. There you have it. Accessing your OneDrive files on PC is simple and efficient. Try it out today and boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.